Hello students, welcome to AJ Mathematics. So today we will start new chapter, 9th standard maths, chapter number 7, ICSE board. Chapter name is indices or exponent. So first of all, I'll give you little introduction of indices or exponent. For example, A is multiplying 5 times. A into A into A into 5 times. So this we can write as A raised to power 5. As A raised to power 5. Here what is 5? 5 is the power and A is base. It means A base having power 5. In other words, you can say A multiplying 5 times. So there are few laws related to indices. So first law is that is called product law. For example, A raised to power m multiply A raised to power n. Here base is same but power is different and multiplication is there. So then the power will add. यानी कि एक बार बेस लिखेंगे and m plus n. पावर कितनी बन जाएगी? m plus n. You can see through one example also. A raised to power 7, A raised to power 4. Base same, power different, sign of multiplication is there, then power add. 7 plus 4, A raised to power 11. Next is quotient law. For example, A raised to power m divided by A raised to power n. Again, division is there, but base is same, power different, so power क्या हो जाएगी? Minus. A raised to power m minus n. Example, A raised to power 7 divided by A raised to power 4 equal to A raised to power 7 minus 4, A raised to power 3. So next is power law. What is power law? For example, base A, power m and whole power n. So both the power get multiplied. A raised to power m into n. Example, A raised to power 4 whole power 3. So power multiply 4 is 4 into 3, A raised to power 12. So it means in the product law power add, in the quotient law power get subtract, and in the power law the power get multiplied. So students, you just note down these laws. Students, there are few important rules. For example, A multiply B whole power m, then this we can write A raised to power m multiply B raised to power m. For example, 2 multiply 3 power 5. So this we can write 2 raised to power 5 as well as 3 raised to power 5. Same way A by B whole power m. So this we can write A raised to power m, B raised to power n. Same way 2 by 3 whole power 5. Example, this we can write 2 raised to power 5 and 3 raised to power 5. Then important, for example, यहाँ पे पावर छोटी सी पावर n है, स्क्वायर रूट के ऊपर पावर कितनी है n. What it means? It means A raised to power 1 by n means nth root of A. Nth root of A. For example, अगर कुछ नहीं डाला सिर्फ ऐसे डाला आपने, this is called square root. Square root means A raised to power 1 by 2. ठीक है, अगर 1 by 3 पावर आएगी तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? क्यूब रूट, यानी कि यहाँ पे छोटा सा क्या आएगा? 3. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे 4 आ गया तो दैट इज फोर्थ रूट, दैट इज अ फोर्थ रूट. सेम वे अगर यहाँ पे A रेज टू पावर सॉरी यहाँ पे छोटा 12 आ जाए तो कौन सा रूट होगा? 12th रूट, यानी कि A रेज टू पावर 1 by 12. सो सेम वे इफ A रेज टू पावर m by n, यानी कि इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 by n पावर लॉ लगाएंगे, आउटसाइड होल पावर m. तो 1 by n क्या बन गया? nth रूट ऑफ A. सॉरी स्टूडेंट दोबारा देखें, A रेज टू पावर m होल पावर 1 by n, यानी क्या बन गया? nth रूट ऑफ A रेज टू पावर m. क्या बन गया? nth रूट ऑफ A रेज टू पावर m. इसलिए क्या लिखा? A रेज टू पावर m अंदर, बाहर nth रूट. एग्जांपल, A रेज टू पावर 4 by 5, क्या लिखेंगे? A रेज टू पावर 4 इनसाइड, आउटसाइड 1 by 5, यानी कि A रेज टू पावर 4 का कौन सा रूट है? 5th रूट. सो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? A रेज टू पावर 4 कौन सा रूट? 5th रूट. So students, please note down this. and two more important rules are there. So students, two more important rules. First one is a raised to power n. If you want to write reciprocal of this, reciprocal means 2 का reciprocal कितना हो गया 1 by 2. 1 by 2. If you want to write a raised to power n as a reciprocal, then power become negative. यानी कि a raised to power n equal to 1 by a raised to power minus n. For example, a raised to power 7, इसको क्या लिख सकते हो 1 by a raised to power minus 7. Same way a raised to power minus n रेसिप्रोकल लिखोगे नेगेटिव का क्या बन जाएगा पॉजिटिव. सेम वे a raised to power minus 3 क्या बन जाएगा 1 by a raised to power 3. एंड वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लॉ रूल, किसी की भी पावर 0 दैट इज 1. a raised to power 0 1. सेम वे 5 raised to power 0 1. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं 1000 ले लूं यहाँ पे 1000 की पावर 0 कर दूं तो आंसर इज 1. So students, please note down this. Now we will solve few questions. So students, one question we will do. Here we will apply all these important rules and laws which we have discussed already. We have to evaluate 3 raised to power 3, 243 power minus 2 by 3 and 9 raised to power minus 1 by 3. First of all, this we will write in exponent form. यानी कि 243 के फैक्टर बनाएंगे. So 243 के फैक्टर क्या बनेंगे 3 3 3 3 3 3 5 times. So this we can write 3 raised to power 5 and 9 we can write 3 raised to power 2. So here a raised to power m outside n, यानी कि कौन सा लॉ लगाएंगे पावर लॉ, यानी कि both the power will get multiplied. Here also multiply 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus 10 by 3, 2 into minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now 3 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power minus 10 by 3 multiply 3 raised to power minus 2 by 3. Here which law we will apply? Product law. Base same, multiplication power add. So base 3 power 3 plus next power minus 10 by 3 next power minus 2 by 3. Now we will take the LCM. LCM is 3, 9 minus 10 minus 2 by 3. So after simplification we get 9 minus 12 by 3, 3 raised to power 3 by 3, 3 raised to power minus 1. यहाँ पे क्या लगाएंगे अभी जो important rule किया था 1 by 3 raised to power 1, यानी कि reciprocal करेंगे the power become positive. So answer is 1 by 3. So students, please note down this. So students, one more question we will do. Evaluate 1 by 4 square root plus 0.01 raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 27 raised to power 2 by 3. So ये तो सिंपल तरीके से कर देंगे. The square root of 1 and square root of 4, यानी कि डिवीजन कोशेंट लॉ यहाँ पे लगाएंगे a by b raised to power m, a raised to power m and b raised to power m, यानी कि 1 का स्क्वायर रूट सेपरेट 4 का स्क्वायर रूट सेपरेट. आप ब्रेक करके भी कर सकते हो. The square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2, and this 0.01 that we can write 1 by 100, 1 by 100 raised to power minus 1 by 2. So to make power positive 1 by 100 का क्या बन जाएगा 100. 1 by 100 का क्या बन जाएगा 100. बोर्ड पे देखो 1 by a raised to power minus m. This we can write 1 by a power minus m. So this become a raised to power m. यानी कि जब दोबारा फिर रेसिप्रोकल लोगे तो क्या बन जाएगा पॉजिटिव. तो सेम वे 100 raised to power 1 by 2 and 27 we can write 3 raised to power 3. यहाँ पे क्या लगाएंगे पावर लॉ, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी पावर 3 3 कैंसिल 3 raised to power 2 and 100 we can write 10 raised to power 2 and again power law 2 multiply 1 by 2 cancel. So what we get now 1 by 2 plus 10 minus 9, 10 minus 9 plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 3 take LCM and we get 3 by 2. So students, these are the few questions. This is the starting of this chapter. From first exercise, first and third question full you try to solve. I repeat, first and third question you just try to repeat, and in next video we will finish this exercise and we'll start next exercise. Thank you very much.